pumunta ulit dito. So, kakatapos ng mga picture and hindi kami prepared. So, pakatik ng picture. Ito, mamaya nga po, maraming best na pumunta ng SM. Dito na talaga ako hindi nakapunta. Sa likod. Hello guys, so dito kami sa SM sa likod. Nantay namin si daddy ko bumili ng pagkain. And ayun, tapos pagkasi ito uwi na rin kami kasi marami pa rin ako gagawin. And magde-debut pa kami sa Porco kasi may quiz kami bukas. Tsaka may pa-away mong presentation din pati sa engagement na kailangan namin gawin. So, laksa daw namin gumalang. Ang na lang namin si Daddy tapos parang uwi na kami. Umuwi na tayo, ang dami natin gano'n. Ito lang talaga itong lugar na ito na hindi pa ako nakakapunta ever since. Kahit sobrang dami best ko na pumunta dito sa SM.
Hindi ka na ba pinapabalik? Napabalik, gusto ko na mabalik. Ayoko. Wala ba din nangyari sa iyo? Na-all na ka pa. I wish for enter.
I wish for eternal happiness. A joy knows no bounds or forever is it. If one wish granted, it's that of mine. To experience the everlasting life. Grace passes, time leaves, and he doesn't come and go. In every moment, of people and family. Once happiness, grace my worry soul. After enduring the struggles in the next world. At first, I was scared and filled with doubt. During times of hardship, that felt stuck. But when happiness returned, I felt alive. Even everyday people learned to live. But yet, we all often dead. Leaving me lonely. I always expect to regret life. I believe they always stand before myself. But reality knows happiness cannot. And now, I start to focus and to aim my future. So I embrace this journey with the purpose and grace. Knowing the solace with each moment when I bring my life to Jesus. May happiness be seen, though it may not be stable. So I embrace each encounter along the way. I treasure the moments, both on and off, whenever in my life, may be. That's it.
But first, let's explain the mechanics of the game. We're gonna ask one question, and the first contestant who will say the word kura-kura will answer the question. But if the answer of that person is wrong, we will repeat the question, shout the word kura-kura, and answer. Let's start the game. Our beloved contestant, are all you ready? Fantastic! Here's the first question. Why do you think Sarah Rizal right the quote, "Ni ultimo adios"? What you're asking? Good try, Lopez, but your answer is wrong. Now I'm gonna repeat the question. Why do you think that Sarah Rizal right the call, "Ultimo adios"? Kura-kura! Is very confident, but his answer is still wrong. Now, for we hope you know the right answer for this question. Glamorous answer. For us, you won the game. Here's your reward. What do you think? Now that the game was done, we're gonna ask the audience. Why do you think Jose Rizal writes the poem? Or why do you think Jose Rizal writes the poem for his parents?
Europe ng talaga tawagan mo.
Majestic answer now. That's a big answer now.
Before his house is death sentence. His execution is scheduled Monday.
Ha?
Desisyon ng bawat ayos sa kuwanan, dapat po marang sa kanya. Gawin natin ang matayan sa natin ng trabaho.
solid points of action.
Sa may sininganan. Buong kasiyahang iniyahain ko, kahit manhaba na ang buhay ko ito, maging nakita may alayin sa iyo, kung ito'y dahil sa kaligayahan mo. Limutin man ako'y di na kailangan aking inibutin iyong kalawakan at dadalhin ako sa iyong kaparangan, magiging talinting, yaring lingaw at samyotin at himig na masaya, kulay at liwanag, may lugot sa mata, paulit-ulit sa tuwi-tuwi na ang aking talinting na nasa pag-asa.
His family gained a secret. He asked pardon from his mother and talked to his sisters as they entered the cell of water. He also wrote letters. His last letter he addressed to Kashana Rizal. He asked his brother and their mom to ask their father for forgiveness for all the pain that he caused. To his friend Ferdinand Dumendi, he wrote, "When you receive this letter, I shall be delighted. Tomorrow at 7, I shall be shocked. But I am innocent of the crime of rebellion. I am going to die with a tranquil conscience."
Natin dito sa mga sa mga sana na ko yan, lalo na ngayon. Hindi niyo ako power sa lahat ng mga masahin dito sa Consumado mes! 1, 2, 3, fuego!
Hi guys, so yung presentation, may kita nyo na biglang tumayo si ma'am kasi natumba yung, kasi yung classmate ko na tumumba siya sa harap. So, at siya kasi yung Jose Rizal na, like yung scene nila is na rin si Jose Rizal ganun. So, ayun lang. So, nakinabahan si ma'am sa kanila, kaya nung tumumba yung classmate ko, sinalon niya. Actually, sumalo din ako, pero ayun lang. Don't worry about it, medyo okay na. Wala naman nangyari masama. Ano lang, acting lang talaga nangyari. Yung ginawa niya. So, hello! May ubo po siyang Ayan, so sumama na siya. Gusto ko rin sumama, pero dapat hindi na kasama. Ngayon lalakarin namin yung kay mama kasi kailangan na kasi may lipat yung or ni mama pati ng lola ko sa ibang butas dun sa columbarium. So kailangan masikaso na yun. And, ayun, baka by Thursday may lipat na. So ayun. So yun lang guys, dito na ako. And ayan, yun si mama, tapos si lola doon. And antay lang namin si lolo kasi magpapamisa daw, and then kakausapin na yung nagawa dito na pwedeng ilipat na itong or ni mama pati ni mamo sa available na butas. Kasi ito talagang pinagpwestuhan nila is hindi talaga sa amin is yeah, so parang temporarily lang nandiyan. So kailangan magpalipat na ng butas. Ayun, nakasama ko si Sam. Dito ka lang, hindi mo ito masyado magtatakbo-takbo. You know. So grabe talaga kasi nalala ko talaga ng time na boy pa si mama at si mamo. Talagang so pandami namin pinagdaanan. And I remember the fact ng pandemic, you know, it was really hard because, you know, yung nga din pag-alaga ko kay mama noon, it was very difficult kasi syempre, diba, ang dami niya ng sakit noon and all the stuff, you know. So I don't want to tell full detail, but that's what happened, you know, during that times. And then yung kay sa lola ko nung COVID, nung 2021, you guys remember that? Kasi lahat yung binag ko talaga as in nangyari. yung kay mama hindi ko lang na-vlog kasi talaga nung araw na yun talagang na-depress talaga ako nung mga years na yun ganun. So ayun lang. And ngayon gagawa na namin ng paraan para malipat. So ayun lang. And tayo na lang namin si Lolo. Ayan, kasama ko mga si Mama. Ayan. Kapag kasi birthday ni Mama, so hindi ako na kami nakapunta. Kaya siguro, ayan, nagtampo si Bakla. And nagparamdam sa amin. Oh my gosh. Pero ayun lang. So ngayon, gagawa na namin ng paraan para makalipat. So don't worry guys. Pero yun sila Lola. Ayan. So ayun lang. I cannot believe na vlog ko to. Like, seriously, I don't want to do this. But, you know, documented na lang siguro. Hayaan mo na na. If you guys remember nung 2018 Christmas Eve, like, nakasama ko si Mama doon sa vlog na yun. Pati sa swimming noong 2019 and all stuff, you know. So, siguro si Mama hanggang ngayon, siguro nakikita niya pa rin ako nag-vlog kahit na so many years passes na gano'n and nawala na silang dalawa and, you know, ayun. Tayo na lang namin si Lola. How's the feeling that you visit Lola and Tita Gigi? Takbo-takbo siya. Grabe. So here's the performance now. Kapag kahapon pa kami na-perform pero nawala na ng oras. So mag-perform na kami ngayon. Nabalita ako, pinagutangan ng salapi. Tama na, be? Naano na ako, be?
You look the straight but must be straight and harshly with like floating eyes. You will not look away with this person. She was thinking to herself, how could we treat my people in this? How could this look like boundary and so on? The man went to pay. The son apologized the word, but instead, he learned that the other person will go on his way.
Some moments after the incident happened, people in town talked and gossiped about what he did. Husserl studied abroad, particularly in Spain. He was enlightened with ideals and strengthened his resolve. He wrote books that opposed the Spanish government. Upon his return, he was arrested by the Spanish government.
Borja presentó as armas por conspiración política. Sedición y rebelión contra el gobierno español en Filipinas. He was then put in the jail. And at that evening, for his execution, he wrote a poem. Parang na bayang pinagkatuloy mo. Mahal sa araw, sa dagat sila. Magyamak sa aming iwalatan. Tuman. Sa iyo'y masaya ang sila doon. Ako ng son at dahil kabuka. Ako may natitingning man sa iwa at tingin sa ulang. Iyahan lutuloy na dahilan sa iyong mga kabuti. Sa parang ng ibahan, tagoy ng iba na makikibahan. Ang handog ng iba ay buhay na wala. Kailangan kahit sa mga tungkol parang mahirap na kay isa. Gayon ang nangis ng bayan, tahanan ng pangalan ng Diyos.
She put this away, this poem that signifies his love.
Ito ulit ang doktor kasi hindi na naman makatae. Saka may ubo. O yan. So, ayan. Dahil siya nakakasakit. It's very sad. Ayan, doktor.
Mango. I want to go that way.
Yes.
Hi, my name